Elvis Presley exploded onto the music scene in the 1950s, bringing with him a sound and style that was unlike anything the world had ever heard before. His unique blend of country, gospel, and rhythm and blues captivated a generation, creating a new genre that spoke to the hearts and souls of young people everywhere. Elvis's electrifying performances and soulful voice made him a sensation, drawing crowds that were mesmerized by his every move and note. He quickly became a cultural icon, challenging social norms and musical boundaries with his provocative dance moves and charismatic presence. Elvis's impact went beyond music, influencing fashion, dance, and attitudes towards race and sexuality. His style, from his slicked-back hair to his flashy outfits, set trends that many would follow. He became a symbol of rebellion and youthful energy, forever changing the landscape of popular culture and inspiring countless artists who came after him. Elvis's rise to fame was meteoric, as he quickly went from a local performer to a national and then international superstar. His first hit, Heartbreak Hotel, topped the charts in 1956, marking the beginning of a series of chart-topping successes. A string of successful singles and albums followed, cementing his status as a superstar and a household name. He starred in Hollywood movies, further expanding his reach and influence, and showcasing his versatility as an entertainer. Elvis's music and persona resonated with millions, making him a global phenomenon whose appeal transcended borders and cultures. His influence can still be felt today, decades after his untimely death, as new generations continue to discover and be inspired by his music and legacy. Behind Elvis's meteoric rise stood Colonel Tom Parker, his enigmatic manager, whose influence was both profound and controversial. A shrewd businessman with a keen eye for talent, Parker saw Elvis's potential early on, recognizing the raw energy and charisma that could captivate audiences. He took over Elvis's management in 1956, shaping his career and public image with a meticulous and strategic approach. Parker was a master of promotion and marketing, using innovative techniques to build Elvis's brand, making him a household name. He secured lucrative deals, orchestrated groundbreaking appearances, and cultivated an aura of mystery around his star, ensuring Elvis remained in the public eye. Parker's influence on Elvis's career was undeniable, guiding him through the complexities of fame and fortune. He secured Elvis's groundbreaking appearances on national television, exposing him to a wider audience and solidifying his status as a cultural icon. He negotiated Elvis's Hollywood contracts, turning him into a movie star and expanding his reach beyond music. Parker understood the power of merchandising, licensing Elvis's image for countless products, from toys to records, creating a vast commercial empire. While many credit Parker with Elvis's success, others argue that he exploited his talent for personal gain, leaving a complex legacy. The early years of Elvis and Parker's partnership were marked by incredible success. Their journey began with a shared vision and a mutual understanding of what it took to make it big in the entertainment industry. Parker's business acumen, combined with Elvis's raw talent and charisma, proved to be a winning formula. Parker knew how to market Elvis's unique style, and Elvis's performances captivated audiences everywhere. They understood each other's strengths and worked together to navigate the complex world of show business. Their collaboration was built on trust, respect, and a shared goal of achieving greatness. Elvis trusted Parker's judgment, and Parker, in turn, recognized Elvis's unique appeal and worked tirelessly to capitalize on it. Parker's strategic decisions helped Elvis reach new heights in his career. Together, they achieved unprecedented heights. Their partnership was a perfect blend of talent and strategy, leading to numerous awards and accolades. Elvis's music dominated the charts, his movies broke box office records, and his fame reached every corner of the globe. Fans adored him, and his influence was felt worldwide. Their collaboration created a cultural phenomenon that redefined entertainment. Elvis became a household name, and their impact on popular culture was undeniable. The Colonel's marketing genius, coupled with Elvis's undeniable talent, created a synergy that propelled them both to legendary status. Their legacy continues to inspire artists and entertainers to this day. As Elvis's fame soared, the demands on him intensified. Parker, always the businessman, kept Elvis on a grueling schedule of recordings, tours, and film shoots. While this maximized their earnings, it took a toll on Elvis's health and artistry. Some argue that Parker's relentless pursuit of profit came at the expense of Elvis's well-being and artistic freedom. Despite the success, cracks began to appear in their relationship. Elvis grew restless, yearning for more challenging roles and musical exploration. Parker, however, preferred the tried-and-tested formula that had brought them so much success. He was reluctant to deviate from what he knew worked, even if it meant stifling Elvis's creativity.